Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the basics and getting straight to it. Make sure the OnePlus Bluetooth Wireless Z has at least some charge and isn't in the middle of a call. Once ready, remove the earbud from your ear and locate the right stem power control. You'll press and hold. If you prefer visual feedback, open the OnePlus Buds app or your phone's Bluetooth panel to watch the device status change as you act. This prevents accidental resets. You'll now perform the controlled shutdown. Press and hold the power or touch area for about 2 to 3 seconds until you see a notification or the LED changes. That's the signal the earbud is powering off. If your phone shows a disconnect toast, make sure to release only after that feedback. Once done with one side, check the other earbud. Some models power individually, so repeat the same hold and watch routine to fully power both off. Finish by verifying both earbuds show the LED is off and your phone no longer lists them as connected. If a bud refuses to power down, place it into the charging case for 5 to 10 seconds. The case forces shutdown and recharges the device. If that doesn't help, perform the factory reset sequence in the manual to clear settings and then repair. Quick troubleshooting tip. A soft reset or charging case insertion resolves stubborn power state hangs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.